How to log in into online banking account of Chase Bank. In this video, I will show you how can you easily log in into the online banking account of Chase Bank. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open any of your web browser. I'm using Google Chrome here, and in the search bar search for Chase Bank. After that, click on the first website, as that is the official website of the bank. After you do so, you will be directed to the home page of Chase Bank. After your page is completely loaded, you will see the option of sign in by your right hand side. Simply click on it and then it will take you to the login page. Here you simply need to provide your username and password and click on sign in option. Now if you don't remember your password, choose the option of forget username or password and then it will take you to reset it. But if you are creating a new account, choose the option of not enrolled and sign up now. There you need to provide your details, email, phone number and verify your document, and then you will be able to create your account. So that's it. That is how easily you can log in into Chase Bank online banking account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.